Friends, now we are going to see how we can use subtotal in Excel. In earlier my videos, I have told about pivot table. For subtotaling, pivot table can also be used, and pivot table has multiple other features. But subtotal is purely to have a subtotal for your data. For example, I am having one Excel file here. This is of COVID-19 cases. I'm having around 11,000 records, country wise, date wise, how many cases, how many deaths. So here the data is very huge, 11,000 data. If you want subtotal each country wise, you can use this option very easily. You can find a country wise subtotal. So I'm going to show you how to use. Before that, one important thing you have to remember in subtotal. Whenever you are applying subtotal, for example, if you want subtotal country wise, first you should sort the data. You should sort the data as per country wise. If your data is not sorted, for example, Afghanistan is coming here. I have already sorted the data. If it is not in one place, if it is haphazardly coming, in pivot table it will take, but in subtotal it will not take. So first and foremost thing for subtotal is sort your data, okay, and your data should be clean, no space in between, okay, or some merged cell, nothing. So your data should be clean, okay. So once your data is ready and sorted, you can just click on data option, here data option and subtotal. Clear? Data subtotal. Okay. Now here this is very important, which option you are going to select. Okay. So at each changes in what countries and territories. Okay, correct. So I have already selected countries and territories. You can select from here. Then what you have to do, whether you want to sum or you want to count. Here average, max, everything you can give. So here I want only sum, total. Okay. Add subtotal to what? Okay, whether it is number of cases or whether death. So here let me give for both. Okay, then if you have already used any subtotal, it will ask whether to replace. Give yes. Okay, then summary below data. Okay, right. So I'm giving now. Just press OK. So this is very important, friends. Here, once you finished, here 3, 1, 2, 3 will be displayed here. This means if you click on 1, it will show only summary. Okay, so only total number of deaths and number of cases. Then if you click on 2, it will show only subtotal. See friends, how beautifully it is showing subtotal. Is it possible to us to do individually within no fraction of time? It is difficult, correct? So please use this option, subtotal. See how beautifully it is showing for each countries. Okay, right. At the end, it's showing grand total also. Then if you click on third option, it will show each full data with subtotals. For example, Afghanistan, see here, subtotal is coming, correct? So each country wise subtotal will be coming. See, Afghanistan subtotal is coming. Like this, you can use subtotal option. Okay, friends, I think you have learned subtotal. Most important thing, your data should be clean and should be sorted. Okay, thank you, friends.